What's up, my producer friends? Another monster here, another monsterproductions.com. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you how to turn a loop into your own melody. All right, so let's say you find a loop that you really like the sound of, but you want to create your own melody with that specific synth sound. How do you do that? Well, you're not going to be able to do this with all loops because a lot of them are going to have various effects like reverb and delay and various other things which cause bleeding into it. So it's going to be kind of tricky to do this. But if you have a loop that sounds kind of like this, then you can load it up and you can basically solo one particular note. So let's just try and kind of solo this here, get rid of all the rest of that, and then I'll kind of just bring this back. All right, so then we have our initial hit, which is just the one note. And what we can do is go ahead and just make this unique as a sample. And we can name it whatever we want. I'll just name it that. So save it. So then it saves in the pack that you're in. So now I can load this up and I'll just bring it into the piano roll here. And we'll just kind of. All right, so now we have that sound and we can create our own melody with it. So the only thing that kind of sucks about this is the higher you get, the shorter the note becomes. It's not like a synth where you can control the attack, decay, and release times and all that. Not that I know of, at least. So, but what we can do is we can load this up into a free mixer track and just add some reverb on it and maybe some delay. And that'll kind of fix the problem a little bit. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, please go ahead, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. That's going to let you know anytime I release new videos. And I will see you guys in the next video.